Okay, this is the video for how to use the Chinese part of this site manager. For example, the main language of this site manager is English, so all the functional things like adding new stuff or deleting it, such things you need to do it on the adding like new art, new artist, everything you need to do it in the English version, and then go to, after you completed all the functional work, and then you go to Chinese version and just translate that into Chinese. All you have to do in the Chinese version is put Chinese texts on those things you inserted on English. So just translate them into Chinese. For example, I give you an example. This is the page manager, right? I have this much pages, and if I go to Chinese version, they are still in English because they're not translated yet. So, but I can see, you can see these Chinese texts here. I put some, so you can distinguish them, like 刷新全部更新. Okay, so let's say I wanted to translate this home page, and I just put 主页 here, and Beijing Central Art Gallery. I should copy that. 北京说话画廊. So page manager and Drew Ye, right? So I will just translate this page into Chinese. 北京说话画廊 is title, right? And then I don't do other things. I just translate, and of course I can update the content here, and then I can just update these, and then it will become Chinese like this on the Chinese page. Here I just contents and do here. Okay, and then another one, let's say let's translate the artists and works of art. I don't know what you're gonna call it, but I just call it 艺术家, right? I just put these what I have in here, and contents, of course you can put contents in here, 艺术家, and then I just update it, and then in the menu will be updated like 艺术家 here. So this is how you translate your website into Chinese after you added the English version, and then you just come here and then you just translate, put the Chinese texts on them. It goes same for the art manager, artists manager. For example, this Li Yun, if I'm in the Chinese, I just put his Chinese name, like I don't have his Chinese name, so, but yeah, I just translate, and it also translate his content, like here I put the Chinese on those things, and then it will show Chinese on the Chinese website. Otherwise it's still in English. So until I translate this, it will be in English. So it goes same for everything, including this quotes manager. Language editor is I already translated, but only 1, 2, 3 left. these tools, they go same for like you can upload Chinese PDF file and then put it into Chinese page like that. A video is like you can insert different videos and different pages, Chinese video in the Chinese page and the English video in the English page. Of course, photo manager is the same thing for everything. Yeah, only this web part, they have Chinese and English, so you need to do the English first and then do the Chinese next, like translate them like into Chinese.